If you're trying to get your company ready for the future, the best thing you could do is take control of AI usage. What I'm going to show you today is how to produce a complete AI company policy and put it into place immediately. I'm Mark DeGrasse, founder of AI Branding Academy, and I know how AI can run wild in businesses. I've helped quite a few start to install it to date, and a lot of them, while they want to put AI into use, they haven't sat down and really created a solid policy in order to guide how their employees use it. So what I'm going to show you today is how to use a GPT I created to create a full policy that's going to help you get ready for the future, take control of how your employees use AI, and make sure that every output that AI generates is on brand and very useful for your business. All right, so rather than give you a bunch of prompts, I'm just going to give you a GPT that's made specifically to ask you 10 important questions about your business in order to generate your entire AI policy. Now, this is going to need to evolve as things get more complicated. We have agents coming online. We have new technology that's entering the marketplace all the time. So you're going to need to update this, but this is going to get you started. So this is the template we're going to use. I call it the AI usage and brand integration policy. Now, brand integration, you might think, oh, okay, what's the point of branding? It's to make sure that everything's consistent. And within your business, that's the most important aspect in terms of making your business look professional and operate efficiently. So your branding is more than just your logo and your colors and that kind of stuff. It actually goes down to the details, the mission, the vision, the core values that you like all of your employees to maintain. So we want to make sure that the branding's in there as well, and that people are using AI properly, or at least that you're trying to manage it. So that if there is an issue, say with somebody using AI improperly, you can at least go back and say, hey, we have a policy for this, and you're going to mitigate some of your liability because of that. So you'll have a link to this actual policy. Go and check it out, and you'll see how it has different sections that require inputs. Now, the inputs you could, of course, do yourself, or you could use the tool I'm going to show you right now in order to do it. So it's called the AI Company Policy Creator. All you have to do is click on the link, then go to I need to create my AI company policy, and it's going to ask you 10 questions. Now, you could provide as much detail as you want. You could add things, you could take things away, but at the end of answering these questions, it's going to generate the template that you just saw filled out for your business. So just to get started, what's your company name? What does it do? For me, I might say, Brand Blitz. We generate, business websites quickly and effectively for SEO and AISL. All right. And that's all it takes. Now, you can go into a lot more detail, do as much as you want. It'll take that information and incorporate it into your new policy. And at the end, you'll be able to copy and paste this into a Drive document, and you'll have a policy in place. It's going to go into your customers, a few of your branding information, but also how you intend to use it, how you should be using it within your business. And then you could essentially create a document, maybe put this on your website so your employees can see. And now everybody's on the same page in regards to using AI for your business. And there you have it. Now, you're going to have to get a lot more involved in terms of the operations of AI. That's why we have certifications and courses. So go ahead and check those out. And also, if you want to get serious about, programming AI to make sure that it's reflecting your brand with every output, I definitely recommend taking our Brand Pillar course. Now, we are going to do a new course called AI-Powered Leadership. If you're interested in, knowing the terms with AI, kind of understanding it, you're not going to become a programmer, and programming still is very necessary, even with AI. So even so, you're going to want to be able to communicate with your employees or communicate with the contractors that are going to be setting up your systems. And this course is designed to give you, as a non-technical manager, the ability to communicate effectively to get these projects done. So go and check that out. Thank you so much for taking the AI challenge for business managers, and I hope to see you in some of our other courses.